Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Talk Now live with Larry. We have so many great things to talk about today, and I am so grateful for you guys. We've got a nice green day ahead of us here with the crypto market. There's the gratitude rock just to prove to you how grateful I am for you guys. Thank you so much for being here. We're going to wait for a few more people to file in, and then we're going to discuss the news. We have so many great things happening here in the studio today. So many wonderful things because now Larry is happy because the market is green. You see, your crypto optimist is here. Or yesterday they dubbed me the crypto philosopher. And then I'm in such a great mood because now the market is all green and everyone's happy. Everyone's making money, right? Is this the bull run? Is Bitcoin going to go to 30,000? Well, Bitcoin will go to 30,000 eventually, but not so fast. I don't see it going there that fast. In fact, I do see it still crashing down to 12K, but I have to keep it real. We are going to say hello to people soon. I guess we'll start out by saying hello to Tim. Hey, Tim, how's it going? He says, hey, he's got another change in his avatar back to the Banana Task Force ape. I think that might be one of the ones he won. And welcome, by the way, guys, I forgot to mention, happy 4th of July to those of you that are in the United States and celebrating with your families. Thank you so much for being here on this holiday, and we appreciate you being here. Also, as a programming note, Max will be here tonight for the Max and Larry show at 9 p.m. Eastern. Right now, I'm drinking delicious French vanilla coffee, or coffee basically with French vanilla put into it. It's so delicious. It's not very nutritious, but it is delicious. It keeps the brain firing. Hello to Selmo Fudd. Selmo Fudd, your crypto philosopher, is here today, and we're going to talk philosophy about crypto. Right now, the market is green. And the psychology, I guess we'll talk, because I guess they want me to bring Dr. Phil on the show as well, is very optimistic at the moment, the last 24 hours. I'm not sure that anything has changed. I do not see this as the bull run, but I have to put in the title that Bitcoin could go to 30,000 because it gets attention. It will go to 30,000 at some point, but not in the near future, in my opinion. Currently, right now, Bitcoin is at 19,911. It's a Bitcoin emergency, apparently. There's where we're at, and let's go take a look at the chart. Thank you to the beautiful people at KuCoin. I hope that you guys can stay in business, because your charts are nice and your trading platform, from what I hear, is good, although I don't use it. So Bitcoin right now is up a little over 3.5% on the day. It's inching towards 20,000, which is a great psychological support level. We will see. Remember the other day I said I foresee, as the Nostradamus of crypto, I foresee Bitcoin going to 23 or 24,000 and then having a sharp pullback. Why did I say that? Because of all the things going on in the macro economy, including the crypto economy. Right here, here's some news for you. Crypto lender Vault freezes withdrawals, eyes restructuring. Another crypto lender. Vault, you know if I'm pronouncing it right, VAULD. A crypto lender backed by Coinbase said it froze withdrawals and hired advisors to explore a potential restructuring, joining rivals from Celsius Network to Babel Finance in resorting to last ditch measures to survive the market rout. Celsius again is in the news. Celsius customers are losing hope for their locked up crypto. They're losing hope now. This is the reason why Celsius will never sponsor the show, because they're going to go out of business. And the sharks from Goldman Sachs are looking at buying their assets. It has been 3 weeks since crypto lender Celsius Network LLC. Isn't that interesting? They're an LLC. They're not a corp. They're not an S corp. They're not incorporated. I mean, obviously LLC is a corporation. It's just that, there's many different forms of incorporation, but LLC is usually reserved for smaller businesses. But I just saw that right here. Just interesting note. That's interesting. I took the drastic step of halting customers' withdrawals. Ala Drizkin says she has 6 figures worth of Bitcoin and Ethereum, her life savings, tied up in a Celsius account. That's horrible. She may never see that money again. This is just terrible. This could be the worst crypto crash in the history of crypto, dating back to 2009 when Bitcoin was originated. On June 12th, a Sunday, the company said it had paused customer withdrawals, saying it needed to stabilize liquidity and operations. So the important thing to keep in mind, guys, during this crash, you need to stay close to myself and the people that are broadcasting from this network, the Crypto Talk Now network. Reason being is we're going to give you the truth. We're going to give you the news. We'll throw in a little humor, possibly a little bit of anger, sadness, all types of emotion, because we keep it real here on this channel. And more importantly, this overall network, through all different medias, through videos, print media, eventually, all different sorts of media and all different sorts of platforms. XXI Gaming, he says, what's good? Welcome to you, my friend. I'm glad you're here to join us. We are just looking at some of these news headlines. Here's another one here. This is what I was telling you guys the other day, and they're coming around to the way I'm thinking. Obviously, that there's more people than me that understand the macro economy, but I don't know if all the people in crypto are talking about it or if they're just staring at charts all day. Home sellers are realizing it's no longer their housing market, meaning that it's not so much a seller's market anymore. This is thank you, courtesy of Yahoo Money. And thank you, Gabriela Cruz Martinez, personal finance writer. Thank you for this article. The housing market has rapidly changed. Sellers, once in the driver's seat at the start of the year, are much more accommodating to complete a home sale as borrowing costs skyrocket. Thank you very much. This is what I was saying about the interest rates going up. It's going to slow it down. The money becomes more expensive to borrow. That has investors, I wouldn't say worried, but a little more cautious about their investing in real estate, which is going to drive down the prices ultimately of houses and other real estate. A growing number of home sellers have been forced to readjust their home prices in recent weeks. According to Redfin, an estimated 6.1% of homes for sale during the 4 weeks leading to June 19th asked for a price drop, a record as far back as the data goes through the start of 2015. Oh, wow. Well, who told you the other day that we were in a housing bubble? I did. So thank you for that, Miss Gabriela Cruz Martinez, for a well-written article. See, I give people credit when they deserve it. Okay, and then coming over here, I want to just see if I can find this other article if it escapes me. Right here. Oh, look at Dr. Evil is here. I'm going to dub him Dr. Evil. I'm going to dub him Dr. Evil. I love gold. I love gold. Dr. Evil, that's Peter Schiff. He loves gold, and he always comes out against Bitcoin during the worst times when crypto is crashing. So he loves gold. You know what? I like gold too. I like gold better than cash. But I will say this. He's going to pile on. He's going to tell everybody that Bitcoin's going to zero. It's not going to zero. But he is right about this statement, I believe. Dr. Evil, Peter Schiff is right because he loves gold. I'm affectionately calling that. I have nothing against the man. He's a smart man. He's made lots of money. I don't have anything against him. I'm affectionately dubbing him Dr. Evil because of the character Dr. Evil. He loves gold. This recession will be the most severe yet. He might be right with that statement. Peter Schiff called the 2008 financial crash and now says the next downturn will be even more drastic. I have to agree with that. He might be right. He's not right when he says Bitcoin's going to zero, and he's not right when he says that gold is better than Bitcoin. Because clearly, since 2009, Bitcoin is way outperformed. I need to show you the chart. You guys are smart. You know that Bitcoin has outperformed gold by a mile. There's your Dr. Evil Peter Schiff update. So that's that. So thank you to Yahoo Finance for these beautiful headlines and a couple of good articles. I now will move over to CoinDesk. Thank you, CoinDesk. And thank you, Liala Ledesma, for this headline. First mover Americans. Bitcoin struggles to break 20,000 as more lenders face trouble. More lenders face trouble. Let's see where Bitcoin is at the moment. We just had it on the screen. It's struggling to break 20,000. It's true. It's gonna go up. It's gonna go to 23 or 24,000. It's gonna then crash sharply from there. That's my prediction. I could be wrong. I'm okay with saying I'm wrong. If I'm wrong, more lenders face trouble. Yes, we just read about the other lender and Celsius, and also exchanges. The latest moves in crypto markets in context for July 4th, 2022. And they're going to talk about price point, market moves, Solana. So really all I wanted from them was the headlines. Just to point out to you that more crypto lenders are in trouble. We don't need to read this article, but thank you for that headline. Thank you to the street. This was interesting for the street. You guys remember Napster? You older people in here, do you remember Napster? They got in trouble for pirating music. Well, guess what? Napster reinvents itself as a Web3 company, complete with a Napster token. How about that? They're actually going to have a Napster token. Amazing. See what happens when time goes by? As time goes by, things change. This is not relevant. Something else I was looking up about NFTs, not relative to this show. Okay, let's talk about Celsius, because we love piling on Celsius, because you know what? They try to get us to, they tried to sponsor the show and give me $50 for every account. And I told them I needed to see their liquid assets. I needed to see their balance sheet. And they looked at me sideways through the phone. Okay, here we go. I hope you guys are not losing money on Celsius. A lot of, as you guys know, can't get your money off of it. Did Celsius pay off hundreds, thousands, millions, right? 67 million of debt. Here's the latest. And thank you, by the way, to Mr. or Mrs. Kanav John. Celsius has been in the news of late. Reports of impending insolvency. Oh, really? Who told you that? I was already checking. I was checking to see how solvent they were, how liquid they are. Me, the little YouTuber that they thought I was. I asked them for their balance sheet. I asked Celsius for their balance sheet way back in February, and they contacted me again because it's an automated email in April. And I said, the rates that you're paying, I don't think are sustainable. Your lending and your staking platform, I don't think it's sustainable. I'd like to see some financials. And they said, what do you mean? I said, I'd like to see your balance sheet. I want to see your assets and your liabilities because I want to see how liquid you guys are. And they didn't know what to say, and I got off the phone. All right, so that's that. Cooling off the heat. The latest Celsius reports have caused investors and supporters to ease their worries over the insolvency of the lending firm. Welcome to all the 65 people, beautiful people that are here. So grateful for you. If you could just do me a favor while we're going through the news. 74 people are here. Please hit the like button. I appreciate that. Thank you, so many beautiful people that are here. But interestingly, Celsius has been actively paying off loans to keep itself afloat. On the 2nd of July, the lender paid off 67 million of its loans, according to crypto researcher Plan C. Oh, there's a new one. Who's Plan C? We had Plan B. How did that work out for you guys? What happened, Plan B? Where are you? You want to come on the show and defend your stock to flow? I don't see 100,000 Bitcoin by the end of 2021. That's what you said. I'm only teasing. I'm not really mad at Plan C or Plan B. I guess Plan B. I'm not mad at Plan B. I just did the little chirp birds on Twitter. They just, blah, 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 blah. Bitcoin 100,000. Blah, 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 blah. Tweet, 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 tweet. Parrots, stuff like that. The ones with no brains parrots have very small brains. They're like tape recorders. Okay. But interestingly, Celsius has been, Plan C. I don't know who crypto researcher Plan C is. The debt was combined between, all right, compound maker Aave. All right. It seems Celsius has been caught up in the festive move of the 4th of July. Are you kidding me with this part? You're going to throw this in there? Celsius is happy about the 4th of July? They should be ready to jump off a bridge. Are you kidding me? It seems Celsius has been caught up in the festive mood of the 4th of July. Let me just tell the people at Celsius, you better not be taking the 4th of July off right now, Celsius people that are running the company, whoever's left. I don't know if it's a janitor. The freaking CEO, he probably ran. I don't even know where he ran to. Where is he? In Singapore? I don't even know. They're hiding. They're hiding underneath their desks over at Celsius. And now the janitor and the cleaning lady are left to run the company. You better not be taking the day off because the janitor is going to run the show. Somebody better be accountable over there. People can't get their money out. How dare they say that they're caught up in the festivities? They're caught up in what festivities of what? What is the 4th of July to Celsius? Can you please give people their money and their crypto? Stop saying stuff like that. Late yesterday, 3rd of July, it repaid 50 million USDC to the Aave protocol, AAVE. This has had a major impact on the Celsius liquidation price of Bitcoin. It has been lowered now to $11,865 as per Plan C. Who the hell is Plan C? Please stop with these fake names. Stop with the fake names and the Witness Protection Program names. All right, let's say hello to everybody, and we're going to continue with some more news. Welcome to Tim Shea. If you have Bitcoin, you have Bitcoin. She should still get it at some point. A bid. Is it a fake BTC pump? It's a temporary pump. It's not the bull run. Please. I'm grateful for you guys. It's not the bull run. The real bull run begins February 14th, 2023. You're going to love it. It's Valentine's Day, but more importantly, you're going to fall in love with the bull run. It starts at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The gym. How is everyone doing today? We're doing great. I'm so happy here. Clemente, you're welcome. Larry, you're such a good guy. Please keep doing what you do. Appreciate you, my G. Volt to Mars. Yes. The Volt Army is in the house. Thank you so much. We have so much love from the Volt Army for this show. They love us. They love us at Volt is what it is. They love us at Volt. In fact, I don't even have much Volt. I have $100 or less in Volt, but they still love us anyway. Michael Cornwell says, yo. Michael Cornwell, welcome to the show, my friend. Yes. So there was the news about Celsius. Singapore, headlines Singapore. Singapore's financial watchdog considers further restrictions on crypto. The Monetary Authority of Singapore may consider placing, by the way, we have to give credit to this article writer. Thank you, Turner Wright. Singapore's financial watchdog considers further restriction on crypto. The Monetary Authority of Singapore may consider placing limits on retail participation for investors, as well as introduce rules on the use of leverage for crypto transactions. Okay, do you see what's happening here? They're laying the groundwork for the U.S. to come in. There are already other governments. The government of Singapore is already putting their foot down, and this is going to make it easier for the U.S. can't be behind Singapore. The government of the United States has to act quicker than Singapore. They have to regulate. Now this is going to bring even more reason for the U.S. to come in and regulate. Wait, are you kidding me? All right. Well, this is bad news for the people of Singapore. I'm sorry to hear that you're getting more regulation. Here's a good headline for you. And I got to get rid of some of these pop-ups. Sorry. We'll have to just start paying for some of these subscriptions, I guess. We have to pay for them. We got to help them out. I can't get rid of it. Okay. Well, you know what? I'm just going to use this for the headline. Crypto owners remain committed to Bitcoin despite market turmoil. Morning consultant says, yes, that's true. I remain, look, I still have my Bitcoin hat. I'm always going to wear it. This is a crypto show. Look, Dr. Evil is out there. Dr. Evil, I affectionately call him Dr. Evil. Peter Schiff, he's like, I love gold. I love gold. He loves gold. He's going to tell you that Bitcoin is going to go to zero. He doesn't know what he's talking about, and he does it to get attention because he loves gold. Okay, I like gold too, but I like Bitcoin more because Bitcoin has outperformed gold since its inception in 2009. We all know this. But I will give Peter Schiff credit for this. I'll give Dr. Evil credit for this. He's saying this could be the worst crash, recession, whatever the hell you want to call it. We already are in a recession. It could get much worse. It'll get the worst since 2008. I might have to agree with Dr. Evil on that one. D, welcome D. Volt. 89 beautiful people in here. We had over 100. Please, guys, hit the like button so we can get our 100 people back. What is up, Mr. Coochie Boy? That was his childhood nickname. Welcome to the show. What is up, Mr. Larry? Thank you so much. Your crypto philosopher is here. Mr. Larry, I'm in a great mood. Look at the market's green. Everybody's happy. We're thinking we're going on a bull run, but sorry to say we're not. This is just a temporary pump. This is not the start of the bull run. Bitcoin will eventually go to 30,000. Yes, it will, but not in the near future. Selmo Fudd, Bitcoin is on the way to reach the goal of 100,000. Someday, yes, someday we'll make the world a brighter place and Bitcoin will hit 100K, but it's not going to be in 2022. Coochie Boy, what is up? Big Mike. Cassius, not to be confused with Cassius Clay, but Cassius Space. When Bitcoin pumps, so is all the crypto market. Yes, there was a pullback in crypto. It's the same old pattern. Just the other day, there was a pullback in crypto. The altcoins ran. The Bitcoin has to get more attention, so then it starts to run. Now everything is running together in unison, except for a handful of little things right here. This is the top 100, by the way. That's all I need to look at. For crypto, I look at the top 100. Of course, I look at Bitcoin first. And here's my favorites right now. I'm just waiting for them to crash more. I know everybody doesn't like when I say that, but it's just my plan. Michael Cornwell, LCX is about to work as a blockchain bank to make sure exchanges can't limit withdrawals, etc. Eddie T, what is up? I salute you, Eddie T, on this beautiful, beautiful 4th of July. Hope you guys are getting to spend it with friends and family. Guess what? I am spending it with friends and family. I'm spending it with you guys. How about that? And I'll be here tonight at 9 p.m. for the Max and Larry show as well. Eddie T, smash the like button. Thank you for that. Tim Shea, Michael Cornwell, why did you keep saying WAGME is up 150%? Laugh out loud. I haven't been looking at WAGME. I still have a WAGME NFT. Michael Cornwell, easy. It was 1.50 and went to 7. Phil pulled back 3.7 in the last few hours. Okay, Coochie Boy. Biden legislation will fix crypto. That's funny. I should show you guys this. There was not an article. There was a video. We're going to do articles eventually. There was a video. There was a video here. Your videos. Oh, there's 84 beautiful people in here. I love you guys. So grateful for you guys. While I'm pulling this up on the screen, I can multitask now. I've got my other hand. I have my other hand on the mouse. Right now, videos. You guys can go and check it out. There's a lineup. It's already doing pretty well. It's got 83 views. It's been about an hour. I uploaded about an hour. This is breaking news. Terra Luna, Biden administration. He's going to implement new regulations. Is it because of Terra Luna? Watch this video and find out from Max. Wow, Luna Classic, start of the bull run, question mark. Watch it. Max, we just uploaded it for Max here on the show or on the channel. Oh, sorry, you guys are not seeing my screen. Right here, guys. Sorry. On our YouTube channel. Okay. Welcome to Ace in the Hole Crypto. Yo. Tim Shea, mine is going up 2.5%. Michael Cornwell, open the chart 30 minutes and zoom back and you will see. All right. Thank you for that. I is less than Maximus Crypto. Hello, Handsome Larry. Looking forward to seeing you and Handsome Max tonight. The show will be great with you both. Happy Independence Day. Thank you for that. Cool Cat Crypto's got the purple royal cat because purple is the color of royal people and royalty. Okay, so looking quickly at our beautiful bubbles, you can currently see Patches is sleeping still in front of Luna Classic. He's been studying the bubbles all day. And here's where we're at. This is the top 100. Again, my favorites are moving. And they're moving in the wrong direction because they're moving in a direction that I'm not willing to buy at. Except for XLM is down. And AMP is also down. So Bitcoin right over here currently at the 19,785 level. Up 2.8%. And the altcoins are running today. Tim Shea, happy 4th to all that celebrate. Thank you for that. Tarun, he's here today. He's raising his hand and saying hello. Clement, Terrapool is live. Let's go. Tarun, happy Independence Day. Thank you for that. So we're looking at the news before more people came in. Of course, we talked about Voyager Digital temporarily suspends all trading withdrawals and deposits. That's scary stuff. Let's see what this is. Okay, here we go. FTX signs a deal that could buy BlockFi, right? For up to 240 million. FTX is going to buy out BlockFi, possibly. Troubled crypto lender, another. There's three of them now. Well, there's a bunch of them. They're all going to fall like dominoes. Troubled crypto lender BlockFi said Friday that it agreed to an option to be acquired by FTX. That's the exchange, right? For up to 240 million. What to know? The acquisition figure would include performance incentives, and BlockFi didn't specify how much would be an upfront payment. Well, we'll have to give them credit. Let's see here. The deal with FTX also includes a $400 million revolving credit facility from the crypto exchange operator from FTX. What they are saying, BlockFi CEO Zach Prince, not to be included with the deceased singer named Prince. Outside of this transaction, we realize that there is a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. Oh, wow. Even the big guys say that, but they don't say the word FUD. They just spell it out. In the crypto markets, from our vantage point, we continue to see a healthy ecosystem on the rise. That's total BS, the last part. But he's doing the right thing. He doesn't want to scare people, so he has to say that it looks healthy. But it looks like garbage. If you're getting bought out, or if you're being lent money, if you're going to get taken over, right? If you're going to get taken over, you're in trouble. But, they can't say that. So at least he wasn't dumb like the Coinbase CEO. The 3 is a heart. Oh, okay. It doesn't show up there. Coochie Boy, any breaking news on crypto panic page? You mentioned that before. I guess I can pull it up. It's the last time I looked at it was when you mentioned it on the live show. Crypto panic. Crypto panic, a news aggregator. We saw that Celsius repays 120 million stablecoin debt to Maker Protocol. That's something new. Well, Celsius is dying. Crypto volume on Indian exchanges drops by more than 70% after 1% TDS rule. Bitcoin, let's see, blah, 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 blah. KuCoin CEO addresses FUD, says crypto exchange has zero plans to halt withdrawals. That's scary that he's even coming out and saying that. Maybe KuCoin might be in trouble. I don't even know. I'm not going to speculate. I don't like that he came out and said that. Binance steps up verifications to users potentially affected by data breach, targeting 1 billion Chinese citizens. Oh, great. That's not good. A lot of bad news in the market right now. A lot of bad news. SHIB transactions drop to a 15-month low as the meme coin sinks into the abyss. That's what it says. Okay. Well, there's your, you know what? I kind of like this little thing because I don't have to read the articles. I can just look at the headlines and know what's going on potentially or what people are thinking. Crypto scammers target British Army, Twitter, and YouTube accounts. Crypto industry players say market correction is healthy despite historic sell-off. Well, I'm hoping that, people are going to make money because they're going to look at, hopefully find close to the bottom and dollar cost average in on the things they believe in. Tarun Kalara, thank you for being here again. Vold, yes, also halted the withdrawals and trading. I read that earlier. In the beginning of the show, if you missed it, you can rewind it. I talked about that lending platform Vold as well. They're all falling like dominoes. Tarun Kalara, I was about to start using Vold withdrawal options to save myself from TDS. Seems no more. Yeah, be careful. When can we buy the CTNN coin? Oh, thank you for that. Well, we're working on something different. We're going to eventually have a CTNN NFT collection that will help you guys to profit in the long run from this network by buying in first. And it'll be part of your network. It really, truly will be. Clement, happy 4th to you, Larry. Thank you, Clement. I appreciate the sentiment. and recognizing the holiday. And thank you to all the patriotic people here in the good US of A. Thank you for that. Cool Cat Crypto. Anyone know if you can buy and transfer crypto out of Coinbase immediately if you fund Coinbase Advanced by wire transfer? I'm not sure. I have just a few, I don't even know, a tiny $200 on Coinbase or something like that. I don't pay attention to it. But someone answer his question, please. Tim Shea, Cool Cat, I can with a bank deposit. Cool Cat Crypto. Tim, they won't let you transfer out right away with bank deposit. Michael Cornwell, hey, Cool Cat, you got Twitter? Well, you can contact Mike Cornwell or Michael Cornwell on Twitter at Mike C432, sounds like a phone number, 432-606-36. If you do, hit me up. Good also to mention that you can follow us on Twitter on this network, Crypto Talk Now 21, for those of you keeping score at home. Edward Vincent, I'd love to get a CTNN NFT to pop my NFT cherry. Okay, that's funny. Well, that's two people that want to buy in. It's going to be a limited collection. And they're going to be expensive because we want people that really believe in our network. So it's going to be great. It's going to be a benefit. You guys are going to receive financial rewards because we're going to start with the NFT and then we're going to come out with a token eventually down the road. Well, we have to do this. We're going to be talking to people that can write contracts and this sort of thing, and also an NFT artist. And it's going to take time. We're not going to rush this thing. It has to be done properly. And things are going to be in place for the network before we do that. We have a few steps to get to before we get to that point. Tim Shea, I have many times, but not today. Cool Cat Crypto. Michael, sorry, I don't have Twitter. Need to get on there, I guess. Michael Cornwell, you got Facebook? Here's his Facebook. Facebook. Mike, not to be confused with Bruce Wayne. Mike.Wayne. WAYNE.731572203. Patches NFT. Yes, you guessed it. This audience is so intelligent. Yes, we will have a Patches NFT, and that will be part of the Crypto Talk Now collection, which will allow you to invest in the real network where we're going to be getting across very many different platforms, and will actually allow you to have some governance, some voting power, because it will be partially your network. Cool Cat Crypto. Laugh out loud. No Facebook either. Laugh out loud. I know I'm way behind. Come on, Cool Cat Crypto. Don't get him mad because he'll turn into the War Cat Crypto. Coochie Boy. You can do the same with KuCoin. I love saying the word KuCoin. KuCoin. Okay, so here we are with all the news from Crypto Panic. Thank you, Coochie Boy. Or was it Tim Shea that said it? One of you, I think I should go back and look. Who said to check out Panic? Oh, yeah, it was Coochie Boy. Yes, I was right the first time. Thank you for that, Coochie Boy. I love saying Coochie Boy, too. That was his childhood nickname. Sorry. Checking again at Bitcoin. That's why you're here. Yes, Bitcoin is going to go to $30,000, but not anytime soon. I see it going to 23 or 24,000, then sharply falling off the table as part of the overall crash in the macro economy, not just the crypto market. Again, quick programming note, please follow us on Crypto Talk Now 21. For those of you keeping score at home, this is our Twitter handle. We greatly appreciate you guys. Please check out this video. Breaking news, Terra Luna, Biden administration implements new regulation because of potentially Terra Luna. Thank you to our own Crypto Talk Now contributing video content creator, Max from Maximus Crypto. Again, from Maximus Crypto. Wow. Luna Classic, start of the bull run. Is it time to swing for the fences? Thank you to Max, and he's doing a great job. Look at these thumbnails, how wonderful they are. The content is even sharper. It's such, it's great. We're all getting better. Everyone is getting better. I'm trying to work on improving myself. And then this is the one you're watching right now. So you're watching the Bitcoin is pumping. And we're going to go back over to the Bitcoin chart because every time someone says Bitcoin, including me, We have to show the Bitcoin chart. So here's where we're going. So if you're wondering where Bitcoin's heading, it's heading to $12,000. It's also going to go to $30,000, but not right now. Not right now. Before the end of the year, my prediction is that Bitcoin will touch $12,000 before the end of the year. Why? Because we haven't come to the max pain yet. There hasn't been the maximum amount of pain that this market, this climate, this economy is going to create, the world economy, not just here in the US. You'll see. You're going to find out. Cool Cat Crypto. Thank you, by the way, for the 123 beautiful people here. You're all very special to me, and I can prove it by showing you a beautiful gratitude rock that shows me that I need to calm down and not be so angry and be grateful for things in life, including my crypto family here of 126 people at the moment. Please do me a favor and just hit the like button. It is free. Cool Cat Crypto. I'm too scared to leave anything on Coinbase. Why I want off right as I buy it. Yes. Well, I'm already off. I have $200 on Coinbase. I never use them much anyway. And I have very little. I have more than that. I have very little on crypto.com as well. Everything is decentralized. Wallets and then connected right to Ledger. 136 people. Great. CoinView Cap. No, Keith from CoinView Cap, the developer of CoinView Cap. No way. Bitcoin will not get to 30K the way crypto is going. Well, it's not going to 30K anytime soon, but I had to put the clickbait in there because you know why? This is the problem. I'm testing things. If I put it there that Bitcoin is going to 12K, I get a certain reaction. I put question mark. Did I put a question mark this time? I think so. It's clickbait. 30,000 question mark. If I come on here and tell you about how horrible everything is, then people don't want to watch it. They're getting scared. They want to turn me off. And I'm the crypto doom and gloomer. Well, I wear it like a badge of honor because I'm the crypto. I can't say realist because there really is a crypto realist. By the way, he's coming on the show soon. There's a crypto honest guy, another honest guy like me. And if I say that, people, I'm sorry, it's not all rainbows and sunshine. I have to give you the truth about what's going on in the macro economy as well as crypto. CoinView Cap, Coinbase, and KuCoin are the next. Be careful, guys. They are heavy and dead. Oh, my God. Oh, man, don't even tell me. They're going to call you the Keith Doom and Gloomer now. They're going to you hate exchanges. He hates them. Stop, Keith. You're going to make everybody scared. Well, he's just telling the truth. They probably are next. I might have to agree with that. It's sad, but it's true. We have to be honest. Tim Shea. Hey, Keith. Laugh out loud. Coochie Boy. My dad's last name is Cuccia. Pronounced Coochie. I said it wrong. My dad's last name is Coochie. Thank you. Hey, Tim. Hey, Mr. DJ. Edward Vinson. Please, for the love of patches. I threw the rest of that in. Just look at the GST chart for some visual. Okay. Well, since you said please, I guess I don't even know where to look it up. Am I going to go on to Coin? My Stream Deck is not hooked up because we got this new server here and we didn't hook it up yet. All right. So I got the button on the screen. All right. He wants me to look up GC. I guess so. Oh my God, since Edward Vincent, since this is your show, I'm just teasing you. This is your show. So we're going to look it up. What the heck? It's Green Satoshi Token. Green Satoshi Token, SOL. Do we want to say what it stands for? It probably stands for Solana, but Solana is SOL right now. It's SLL because it stops the freaking blockchain. I don't like blockchains to start. I know you're going to throw Terra at my face, but Terra is my lottery ticket. 11 cents. And look at the chart. I'm looking. It's down 13%. All right. Well, I'm not sure what I'm looking at. CoinView Cap. Larry is awesome. Larry has been right so far. I can't lie. You see? Your crypto Nostradamus is here. Also known as yesterday, they called me the crypto philosopher. The Jerry Springer of crypto. What else am I? The crypto Nostradamus. I can't even remember the other nicknames I got. I don't know. I can't remember. Larry from Crypto Talk Now, I guess. All right. So here's somebody. E-Grade Samuel. Hello. Good job, bro. Bitcoin is coming back to 12K, bro. Thank you so much. Thank you. Finally, someone that agrees with me. Thank you. He agrees right down to the penny. Bitcoin is going to 12K. Thank you. You don't always have to agree with me. You really don't, but it's funny when people do. It's funny. Cool Cat Crypto. I used KuCoin last night. Seems to be working fine. I think Keith is talking about they're heavily in debt and they might stop trading. Is he creating FUD? No, he's just trying to say he's trying to protect the family here. It could happen. Jeff Pruden, whatever. Okay. Look at this. Okay. Is that a cornfield with like a windmill or something like that? I have to understand your avatar because it has to speak of you. Because, Jeff, you are so special to me. I'm so grateful for you. I normally would try to throw the rock against the wall, but since you're here, I'm happy you're here. Jeff Pruden, what's up, everyone? Put your hands together will you please put your hands together for Jeff Pruden, someone new. What's up, everybody? My name is Jeff Pruden. Just wanted to introduce myself and say I'm enjoying the channel. Thank you so much for your gracing us with your presence. And I mean that sincerely. Jeff Pruden with the glasses and the fist bump, just like Selmo Fudd does. Cool Cat Crypto. Hi, Jeff. Jeff Pruden says, what is up, Cat? Welcome, Jeff. This is your crypto family. You're welcome to be here. Every single day, we're crazy here. I'm doing 2 shows a day. Every single day, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. For those of you who has no excuse to miss a show, you have 2 choices, or you can go to both. Tonight is the big show, Max and Larry show at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. It's going to be some fireworks tonight because it's also the 4th of July. Coochie Boy, Dr. Phil, Larry. Yeah, that was the other one, Dr. Phil. I have to be Dr. Phil sometimes. Coin View Cap, Keith. KuCoin. If you see their books are heavy with loans. Oh, Coinbase is going to be done. They're the next ones. The same with Coinbase. Here's the problem. If Bitcoin and Ethereum dump, then you will get liquidated. Oh, man. These guys, you know what? This is the perfect storm. It really is. I swear the government, man, they're so freaking smart. They're light years ahead of us. They literally have their own money. The government has their own money. They print it. Hey, we're down a few $1 trillion. Okay, I'm starting the printing press. Okay, we're going to print more money. Okay, what do you guys need over here? Okay, we just wired it to you. They have their own freaking money. The government has their own money. They're behind all this crap. They want this stuff. They're sitting there like this. Oh, yes, everything is crashing. The unstable stable coins are depegging. No one said, if anyone says unstable stable coins as much as I do, I want to know about it because I hold the Guinness Book record for that. And also saying the word volt in 1 hour. There you go. The unstable stable coins are depegging. The government loves it. Why? Because it's low-hanging fruit. They want to regulate it. Now, if the centralized exchanges start going out of business, who do you think is going to be in the business of a centralized exchange? The government, not directly, but indirectly they will through their regulation. Now we have to really play by the rules. Well, the government comes in on the false white horse to save everybody. I'm here from the government to save you. I'm on a white horse. You can trust me. Please trust me to save you from the woes of investing on centralized exchanges. We have these safe options for you now. Invest on these platforms, the ones that are in bed with the government. It's going to be weird, really weird. If this whole crash happens, I hope it doesn't happen. If this whole crypto crash, I'm calling it the crypto market meltdown. If this happens, like I'm thinking it could, I'm not saying it's definitely happening. I don't know if it's going to be that severe, but if it does happen, watch out, because when they build it back, the build back better, whatever the hell they say, when they build it back, it's not going to be better. It's not going to be better. It's going to be worse. Build back, not better. How do we do that? Build back, where they put the little arrow in there to add a little word when you're editing and you're editing a document. And in the old days, the teacher would put like a little word in there. You missed the word. The word they're missing is not. Build. For crypto, it's this. Crypto is this. Crypto. Build back, not better. They're going to build it back, not better, because it's going to be highly freaking regulated. And you're not even going to recognize it. All right, I got to stop talking about the government. They're going to shut us down. They're coming to shut us all down. They're going to shut us down. Everyone's going to burn. No, I'm just kidding. We're not going to burn. We're going to be fine. It's not that bad. Dr. Evil loves gold. Peter Schiff is over there every freaking day. I don't even look at his Twitter, but I guarantee you in the last week, he said that Bitcoin's going to zero. That's all he can say. Bitcoin's going to zero. Holy crap. How many years are you going to say that? How many freaking years is Peter Schiff going to get on his high freaking horse, the millions of dollars he has? Or I don't even know what he has. Bitcoin's going to zero. You want to know the dirty truth? Peter Schiff owns Bitcoin. That's the dirty freaking truth. He owns the freaking stuff, but it's going to go to zero. Yeah, okay. He's probably shorting it. I don't even want to think about it anymore. But the only thing that he's right about is that this could be the worst crash since 2008. We already are in a recession, in case you guys haven't realized. Here in the U.S., I don't know about other parts of the world right now because I don't follow it that closely. Oh, I'm getting too excited. Jeff Pruden, I don't think, I have to be passionate on the show because then people won't listen to it. You guys need to hear the truth, but I have to be animated. I have to threaten to throw this rock against the camera. I have to take my computer screen once in a while. We have 2 brand new monitors sitting in the closet right now in boxes because if I get mad, I want to be able to have the freedom to throw them across the room. The old ones here, we can get new ones. We already have them waiting in the wings. We have new mouses. We have new mice. We have new controllers. We have new stream decks. Well, I'm just kidding. We don't have all that. But if I need to break things to get people's attention, I will. I might break this camera because I don't like it. I don't think that Bitcoin will drop below 16K. Well, you might be right, Jeff. Thank you for that. Cool Cat Crypto. At Coin, dear Lord. Now I'm worried again. He's talking about CoinView Cap. Keith is worrying him. That's what happens with Celsius. Yeah, that's what happened. This is the reason why. A week and a half ago, I came on here passionately and said, I'm not keeping my money on centralized exchanges anymore. I'm not. I moved all my money, except for a little bit, $1,000 here, $200 there. I moved all my crypto to decentralized finance wallets. MetaMask wallets, OneTrust wallet because it's on my freaking phone. I like my phone, by the way. You ever see my phone? See, it's got 3 cameras, 4 cameras. 5 cameras. Johan picked it out for me. I don't even know what it has. It has lots of cameras. Just like, Elon Musk likes rockets. I like cameras. I like to be able to take pictures. Okay, so CoinView Cap, that's what happened with Celsius. Yes, a week and a half ago, I was on the show ranting and raving, telling everybody, watch out. Watch out for the centralized exchanges. Right now, the freaking janitor and the maid or the people, the cleaning crew is running Celsius right now because this is what happened. 1 or 2 things. Either the people that run Celsius are on their yachts or in their mansions, or they're hiding under their freaking desks. They're hiding from everybody, or they're in different countries. I don't even know where they are, but they're not going to make it. And the sharks are coming in. Sharks are coming in. Goldman Sachs is not to save the people. They're coming in to buy assets. They're coming in to buy foreclosed homes. Celsius isn't a foreclosed home. They're coming in to buy them. They want to eat them. They want to eat cheap. They're coming in. They're coming in. They're coming in. Pigs get fed and hogs get slaughtered. Just so you guys know, that's all. This is too old for you guys. They're coming in. They're being too freaking greedy. And they're going to come in and eat them. They're going to eat them. They're going to freaking eat Celsius for pennies on the dollar. They're going to eat them, meaning they're going to eat all their assets. All right, I got to stop. I'm getting my blood pressure's going up. My girlfriend's a nurse. She has to check my blood pressure. Edward Vincent, welcome. Welcome to @Jeff Pruden. Woot. Yes, thank you. Good afternoon and shout out to Texas Tornado Crypto 2.0. Better and back. Better than 1.0, we'll say. Well, YouTube took his first channel away, but he'll be stronger because maybe he'll get it back and he'll have 2 nice channels. By the way, Texas Tornado Crypto, Nick will be on the show tomorrow at 3 p.m. He'll be a guest co-host of mine tomorrow. Maybe we'll talk about Crow or other things he wants to talk about because he loves Crow, and I like Crow too. Look, if Crypto.com survives, I feel like they have a good chance. They spend a lot on marketing. I'm a marketing guy. If they can make it through this crypto, whatever the hell this is, bear market, crypto winter, or if you want to be I'm the crypto doom and gloomer, right? If you want to be the doom and gloomer like me, the crypto market meltdown is coming. If they survive whatever this is, whatever this market is called, or whatever it feels like, if they survive, they will be one of the strongest, if not the strongest centralized exchange outside of Binance. Maybe number 2. Okay. Tens only. By the way, Tens only has a clothing line as depicted in his avatar. Hey, mate, hope you're well. I'm doing great. I'm waiting for it to crash everything and burn so I can buy it. Crypto will not be built back better. That's another expression. Can we get a freaking shirt that says that? Crypto. Built, not better. Built back, not better. Something like that. Most exchanges, that's what they're going to do. The freaking government is coming in on the white horse. Look, you know who the real people coming in? You know who the real people coming in on the white horses are? This is who has the chance. It's two people riding together. Like the Lone Ranger and Tonto. I don't know which one's Tonto. Batman and Robin, whatever you want to say. The two people coming in, they're heroes. The heroes are two people. 1, 2. Elon Musk has a chance to be the hero, and so does CZ from Binance. They're coming in on the beautiful white horses. They're coming in. If they were women, they're not women. Their hair would be flowing in the wind as they ride on the beautiful white horses, but they're not women. Okay, so they're just men. They're galloping in on the horses are beautiful. The manes of the horses are flowing in the wind. They're coming in. The manes of the horses are flowing in. They're just going in, and we're here to save you. We're here to save everyone from the evil government. They're going to save everybody. That's the only ones that can do it, in my opinion. Elon Musk is for freedom of speech. He's going to take over Twitter. That's good for crypto. It's good for Dogecoin. Maybe they come out with a blockchain. I don't even know. Look, he can sneeze and tell everybody that he's using Dogecoin tissues, and everyone's going to buy Dogecoin tissues, and there'll be a coin for it too. Dogecoin tissue. Please don't make that because I said it. All right, so my point to you is that. And then CZ with the Luna Classic burn and a bunch of other stuff he can say and do, he could be the one that saves this thing. These two guys. All right, enough of the white horse stuff. People are thinking I'm crazy. Most exchanges are already, Keith, CoinView Cap. Most exchanges are already silent insolvent. Secretively, yeah, I would agree with that. I warned everyone months ago this would happen if Bitcoin drops lower. Well, you might be the crypto Nostradamus then if you did, because it's happening right now. Texas Tornado, looking forward to hanging out with Larry tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you for that, Texas Tornado. I lost everything. All right. Hey, Texas. Tim Shea says, at Cool Cat Crypto, coin. At CoinView Cap, I don't keep anything on KuCoin. Just send from Coinbase Advanced and trade for XRP, XTC, HBAR. Oh, he loves his BSV. Welcome to Star Dog. I love your username because I love dogs, and Patches is your beautiful crypto family dog that also doubles as your crypto technical analysis dog guru. And welcome. He loves Dogecoin on Mars. Yes, we are fans of Dogecoin on Mars. We'll see what happens without utility, but we do greatly appreciate you. And just because if you think I'm lying, I do have a gratitude rock to prove that I am grateful for you. Okay. Cool Cat Crypto. Then I send it to a cold wallet. Good for you. Texas Tornado says hello to Tim. CoinView Cap. Keep everything on Trust or MetaMask for now. Or you can hook it up to Ledger like I do. CoinView Cap. Hey, Texas. Cool Cat Crypto. I keep everything in decentralization, decentralized wallets. DeFi. I just spilled a whole bunch of water. You guys didn't see it. It went on the ground. All right. That's okay. They'll come in. The cleaning crew is coming in. Texas Tornado. What's up, Teeth? Michael Cornwall. America has one option. And you mean the Federal Reserve or the federal government? There's two feds, right? I guess you could say two feds. All right. But the Federal Reserve, you guys know this is an intelligent audience. The Federal Reserve is separate. It's a separate entity. It's unlike anything in the world, but it's separate. They fool you by saying Fed. It's not. It's not part of the U.S. federal government. It's just not. It's its own separate entity controlled by outside forces. Let's just put it that way to keep it clean for the show. Tens only. If Bitcoin goes down to 12, most cryptos will wipe out, meaning all the crap coins will die. I'm looking forward to it, actually. Sorry, I'm not trying to be like Doquan, but I'm looking forward to the garbage going away. Hopefully get back to the top 100 and have them all. Yep. Well, if 90% die, right, that only leaves 2,000 because 10% survive out of 20,000 or so, whatever. Hey, man. Clement, how is Patches doing? He's doing good. He's on the screen there. He's taking a nap. He's breathing much better. He's totally fine. He has titrated off of his medication and doing great. CoinView cap, 10s only, exactly. Michael Cornwell, the central banks, the Federal Reserve are nothing but the enslavement of humanity. Can we say that, or are they going to shut us down? They can't shut us down because we have important friends of the channel. Anonymous, I don't know for sure, but we love Anonymous, and I think Anonymous could potentially like us. So that's why we're still here. And if we get shut down, we'll have them to back us up, maybe. Tim Shea, all this FUD. 10s only for the last few years. He said 0. Yeah, that's all that Dr. Evil ever says. Does anyone call him Dr. Evil but me? I just saw it, thought about it today, and I read the article. I'm like, you know what? He's Dr. Evil. I love gold. I love gold. You know, the one from whatever. What the heck was the name of the movie? You know what I'm talking about. Dr. Evil. Okay. He loves gold. Okay, I like gold too. What's your freaking point? I guarantee you one thing about Peter Schiff, and he'll never freaking admit it to anybody. I guarantee you that man owns Bitcoin. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. I guarantee it. 100%, $1,000,000% guarantee you that Peter Schiff owns Bitcoin. He'll never admit it. Why? Because it goes against his narrative. Because that's how he makes his living. That's how. Oh my God. He goes on Twitter. I don't even know. I don't want to watch because he's low energy. He's low freaking energy. He comes out and says the same freaking thing every year. Bitcoin's going to 0. How creative is that? What a wonderful prediction that is. How do you freaking make predictions like that and people believe you? Why? Because you have a lot of money. That's why they believe him. Ricky, everything is up today. S&P, NASDAQ, etc. All up but the 4th of July. And Bitcoin will not drop below 18K. All right. Well, thank you. Thank you for that. Clement, we'll see. Smack the like button. Show some love in this platform. Show it. Reap the benefits of the community and hit the freaking like button, or I'm going to get mad and I'm going to throw the freaking gratitude rock. I'm not going to be so grateful if you don't. All right. 10s only. All I'm saying is buy USTC. That's all I hold now. USDC, all you hold is an unstable stable coin? Now, I would prefer that you would be in cash if you're worried. CoinView cap, but that's not financial advice. Or they're gonna sue us anyway eventually. We don't even care. If somebody sues this channel, I'm gonna take the freaking lawsuit and throw it in the garbage and tell my lawyer to retrieve it from the garbage and do a discovery or something. Whatever these lawyers like to do. And they're like nuclear warheads. I learned that from Danny DeVito in the movie Other People's Money. Lawyers are like nuclear warheads. Everyone has them. And once you use them, it screws everything up. And I'm actually paraphrasing. It was much harsher than that. Not cool cat crypto. CoinView cap. Once the new inflation rate hike comes out, Bitcoin will be way below. You see, everyone's coming around. Even Keith agrees with me about Bitcoin heading to 12,000. Because they're going to roll the old man who's going to come out of the cave. He's going to come out of the cave. They're going to, you know what? I don't watch TV, but if you have your TV controller, do yourself a favor, unless you're having trouble sleeping at night. Don't watch the old man coming out of the cave to tell you about interest rates. They're going to roll him out and pump him up with some kind of energy drink, or I don't even know what they're going to do. Give him an IV or something. He only comes out. He's like a mole. He lives in the cave. They roll him out the door. They roll him out of the freaking cave, and he comes on. He says one thing. This is all people should care about. And just this is a controller that controls the lights here. But if it was a TV controller, if you have an off button on your TV, which you do, you guys are intelligent, take the off button. As soon as he says this, today I'd like to announce that we're raising the Federal Reserve is raising interest rates to 25 basis points higher, or 50 basis points higher, 75, whatever the hell he's raising it to. As soon as he says that, take your button on your remote controller, do yourself a favor, and push the off button, because that's all we care about. That's all. I just smashed this. Sorry, it was an accident. All right, we'll fix it later. Look, that's all he cares about. That's all we care about. That's not all he cares about. That's all I care about. That's all Wall Street cares about. That's all the crypto market should care about. That's all we need to hear from him. Now, go back to your cave and go to sleep for another month, or until September, right? Ricky, the MACD lines will cross on around, this is technical analysis stuff, July 20th, and then we rise 50 plus. Just don't argue with me. I'm not arguing with you at all. I don't really care. But I'm not buying any more Bitcoin until it hits 12. I don't care if it's now or next year. Jeff, since the crypto boom in the last 2 years, there's been an extreme spending of the currencies Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I mean to say that there's a lot of different companies and projects and video games. Yes, there is. I'm looking closely. After this, when we find the bottom, I'm going to be looking for metaverse and play to earn gaming stuff. But real stuff that you can actually use for real utility, not this freaking pie in the sky, whatever they're going to do. And websites that have gotten up shares and pretty much have the Bitcoin locked away so it can't be really sold. Only utilized on their platforms. So a massive Bitcoin drop to me seems like it won't happen. All right. Well, that's why, you have your opinion. I got mine. Let's see. Okay. We got to take our time to read this because Keith is a smart guy, so I have to read it. Keith from CoinView Cap. Let me explain better. If Celsius and Three Arrows Capital completely go under, they own a ton of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Luna. Okay, I follow you there. That would kill the market. Check out their books. They posted it. Well, apparently they don't share their books with me because I asked them for their balance sheet. I mean Celsius, but they just ignore me. I asked them that back in February. They think I'm nuts because I don't even want to promote anything for $50 on this. Why would I take a chance of promoting that for $50 if I don't think it's sustainable? And apparently I was right. Well, we're all going to be in trouble. I'm going to come on here and tell everybody that we're in trouble and the market's going to crash and everyone's going to hate me because I'm not telling you that we're going to do 100x and whatever. All right. I don't really care if they hate me, but it's just kind of funny. CoinView Cap, Bitcoin alone, they have 150,000. Wow, they have that much? That's what Celsius has? 150,000 Bitcoins? And they're going to go out of freaking business? They can't manage the balance sheet the proper way? Don't they have accountants and CPAs and bookkeepers and little people that count beans and crap like that? They don't know what they're doing with math? Patches is getting upset now. He's repositioning. He's getting upset about it. All right, the proclaimed prince of crypto, Inu. It's nice to see that, but sadly, not for us on Voyager. That's another one I warned you guys about. As soon as I saw that coming from a mile away, that's the first step. They limited the withdrawals to $10,000. I'm like, they're done. They're the dead man. They are and they already are now. They were the dead exchange walking. That's going to be the new thing. Can we get shirts we don't even have any shirts. Can we get shirts that say dead CEX walking? Look, I just made another one. See, I'm a marketing guy. We know maybe we should just give the shirts away. The people, they're never going to listen to me unless we give them stuff for free, apparently. And I have to be entertaining. EGR Joshua Aquino. Welcome. I haven't seen you here before. What do you think about Lunar, Zuna, and Dexio Protocol? I have dust of Zuna and Dexio Protocol. This is my crypto portfolio. Any comment would be appreciated. Are you from the Philippines? Because we have a tremendous following. We have a tremendous following for people in the Philippines. In case anyone's sponsoring wants to advertise, I don't even know. And we also have 3 viewers confirmed in the great state of Hawaii. But we're tremendously big in the Philippines. They love us there. We love the Filipino people. And I did promote a lot, and we checked the demographics. I promoted Zuna for free, of course. I didn't ask them to pay me in their defense because I believed in it at the time. And what was funny is we got a big percentage of those people from the Philippines watching. What are my thoughts on it? My thoughts is that I'm in cash. I'm not buying anything right now, but I think Zuna at one time when I looked at it a long time ago was good. I bought in on launch. Dexio Protocol, same thing. Bought close to launch. Lunar, I'm not familiar with. So we'll have to wait and see. This is a different time. Right now, I'm looking at this. This is my favorites. Where is it? Right here. This in my top 100. I'm just watching. I'm waiting for these to crash and burn like never seen before. So it's an opportunity of a crypto lifetime, potentially. We'll see. But thank you, and your thoughts are appreciated. Michael Cornwell, CBC, have you seen how ICX can help? Let's see. CoinView Cap, Voyager will be fine. They are going nowhere. They have lots of cash and assets. Okay, that's good. I didn't know that. It's good. They have a healthy balance sheet, is what it's saying. All right, well, I'll take your word for that. Keith is a smart guy. All right, Star Dog. Larry ain't a slogan kind of guy. Yeah. Well, we're going to have some slogans. Well, the first shirt, if anyone makes a shirt like this, they copy this. It's going to say something like this: unstable stable coins. And we'll put like the little pictures of all the stable coins that depegged. All of them. Pretty much all of them. CoinView Cap. FTX is backing Voyager. Okay, they're going to bail them out too? They're doing something with Vol too, right? Cornwell, I haven't. Okay. Jeff, smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for that. Mr. Jeff Pruden. Appreciate you saying that. Cool Cat Crypto. Oh, yes. Me like it. Me like me some BSV. About to pick up a few more. How would the Cool Cat Crypto sound? I wonder what Cool Cat Crypto's voice is like. Does anyone ever wonder that? Does it sound like a cat? I'm just wondering. I bet you it doesn't sound like a dog. Cool Cat Crypto, decentralized wallet. I mean, it's a cold wallet. Okay. Michael Cornwell, CBC, I tagged you in a Twitter post. Michael Cornwell, the Federal Reserve is just paper. It's just like a coin. If no one believes in it, it disappears. All right, he's going to check it out. Gold member. Yes, that's what it was from the movie Gold Member. Austin Powers, that's it. I love gold. You know the one that says, I love gold. I love gold. I love gold. That's Peter Schiff. He loves gold. The thing that he won't tell you is that he's also invested in Bitcoin. He'll never tell you that. I'm almost certain of it. Who the hell has a lot of money and is not invested in Bitcoin? Name one person. Name one multimillionaire that doesn't have some Bitcoin. Name one person. Does anyone really know anybody that doesn't have Bitcoin that has millions and millions of dollars? I like gold too. But Bitcoin's not going to zero. Star Dog, sweet. How very kind you are. Oh, wow. Look, the clowns are back. Welcome and a shout out to Clown Coin. Yes, it's a real project. You know, the other day when Classy Crypto was here, Clown Coin came in. The developer of Clown Coin came in and he laughed. Is this real? He says, yeah, it's a real project. They give us $2. Yeah, and we showed him the chart. All right. The proclaimed prince of crypto Edu. Anonymous, he's saying, needs to go after the Voyager leaders. Well, I can't tell Anonymous what to do. If they want to do it, they can. Look, Anonymous is welcome to do whatever they want to do. Nobody messes with Anonymous on the show. We 100% fully support their efforts. We don't mess with them. Cool Cat Crypto, Patch's nose is pointing to, he really is pointing to EGLD. Let me see. Well, he might be giving us a clue. We do eventually, we're waiting. We have some things happening. We need to wait until after the 7th because Johan is working on a project, actually not for us. He's doing some consulting for another entity. And he won't really have time to help us until after the 7th. And once that's done, we're going to go full force with some things like you're going to see some sort of a chart, a live chart behind Patches, maybe the crypto bubbles. I don't even know. And then that's when you're going to start to see him point with his tail. We're training. He's it. Look, we've had dog trainers come over. I've had dog trainers come over, and I said, look, I need you to do something a little bit out of the ordinary. And they say, what do you need? I want you to teach my dog to point with his tail. And they say, well, are you a hunter? And I said, no, I'm a crypto investor. Then they said, well, sir, what do you want? Why do you want your dog to point? I want him to be able to point at the charts. And then, then they laugh. I had to show him the show. Look, it's a real thing. I really want you to teach my dog to point. And why do you want them to do that, sir? Because he's going to be better chartist than half of the people that are talking about charts. And we're going to prove it. Just like wasn't there a freaking stupid hamster named, I can't remember the name of the hamster. It was the one company that went bankrupt. They named the hamster out. The hamster died. That freaking hamster outperformed something. He was better picking crypto than people. Well, I can't remember the name of it. Help me out in the comments. If you know the name of the hamster that used to run around on his little wheel and trade crypto, he would pick the different cryptos to invest in, and he actually outperformed a few people. That's what Patches is going to do. We're going to prove it. We're going to have stats to back you up. He's going to point. I don't think he's going to be able to learn how to point with his tail, but if he points with his nose and he can show support levels and resistant areas, areas of resistance is what I'm trying to say. Whatever. If he could do some sort of technical analysis, we're going to actually fact check him against some other prominent people, like people that have 1 million followers on Twitter. And let's just see who outperforms. Let's see if he can predict things better than some of the experts. I bet you he can. That's what's going to be funny about it. And this is going to be to mock all the big Twitter influencers, the ones with 1 million plus. We're going to have fun with it. All right. ENGR. Joshua Aquino. What do you think about? Oh, we already read this one. All right. Ray Gamble. Nice show as always. Thank you. And you know what? You're more than nice. You guys are beautiful. You're beautiful people. You have beautiful souls. Doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman. If you're a beautiful woman, that's great. If you're a man, you're a nice guy. Okay, we'll just keep it there. All right, Cool Cat Crypto, BSV headed to 100,000 in the future. At least. Okay, thank you, Cool Cat Crypto. Coochie Boy. Ops. Remember when oil was struck on the barges, on the oil tankers in the Gulf, and was trading below zero? I remember. The Gin, Larry, the way it looks with all these exchanges tumbling can bring the price of Bitcoin to 10K or lower, in my opinion. Amazing. By the way, don't talk about food because I'm starting to get hungry. Look, I got my pen. I might break my pen. I'm so hungry. I'm just kidding. I love you guys. Everyone thinks I'm angry all the time. You know, sometimes I'm just acting because I have to get attention. Why? Because that's how we're going to have ratings and stuff. Look, I'm trying to reach out to my couch. I'm touching the couch right now. Do you think the couch is real? This is an intelligent audience. All right, Patches is real. We know he's real. He's a real dog. And he is going to learn to be a technical analysis dog. He likes to sleep. That's the problem. All right, so Cool Cat Crypto, Cooch. That was crazy. Burned by Saitama. Get you a Volt bag. Thank you for that. Ray Gamble, CZ net worth from 69 billion to 20 billion since this crypto crash. Well, maybe we need to take up a collection for him. I don't know. Can he start a GoFundMe account? I love coffee, but it's got French vanilla in it. CC will be just fine. He's going to come in on a white horse and save everybody with Elon Musk. All right, Cool Cat Crypto. Patches collar pointing to SHIB. Yeah, you know what? He is pointing to SHIB. Let's see. What's Shiba Inu doing right now? Well, Shiba Inu's up 2.1%. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, a 1 0. You know what? I'm a buyer if it gains one more zero back. I really want to be greedy with SHIB. I like Shiba Inu. So much so that I promised my kids, we're more than a YouTube channel, right? We're a network. When we get 100,000 followers, no, let me rephrase that in case they clip this for the future. When we get 100,000 subscribers on YouTube, I promised my kids I would get a Shiba Inu puppy, but it has to be a girl because Patches is an alpha dog. So it has to be a girl puppy, a female dog, a real one, not a stuffed animal. Some of these influencers have stuffed animal Shiba Inus. We're going to have a real dog. Let's see. Jeff Pruden. Bitcoin would have to lose around $300 billion plus to drop Bitcoin down to 12,000. Don't think you can happen, especially with all the Bitcoin that's been lost. You mean like the wallets that they can't move because the people died or they can't find the keys? I don't know. But you know what? I'm already right. I'm already right. I'm way ahead of Bitcoin. I'm way ahead of Plan B and all the little chirpbirds that said 100,000 Bitcoin because I told you back on June 2nd, right on this channel, you go back and watch the video multiple times starting on June 2nd. When Bitcoin was at 30K, I said that it's headed to 12K before the end of the year. And right now it's at what, 19? Is that what it's at right now? So I'm already winning. Last year, Bitcoin closed around 47,000. That's a lot farther away from a prediction of 100. I win. I've already won. Now it's at 20,000. See? I said in the short term, we'll go to 23, 24, and have a sharp decline from there. Ray Gamble. Larry, let's start a business and take $1 million loan to buy Bitcoin. Oh, you mean like Michael Saylor? Just a business that invests in Bitcoin? Wizard Cell from the movie Seven. I think he's the producer. Hi, Larry. Any news about XRP? Not that I can see. We're still waiting. I think that they're going to win their lawsuit in January. Stardog. I'll buy a detestable stable coin. Teehee. Jeff Pruden. Hey, I can help you get your clothing line started. I've made a few t-shirts from my own projects. Okay, cool. You can message me on Twitter at CryptoTalkNow21. Coochie Boy, Cool Cat Crypto, USO, and Gush. Options were insane. Clown Coin. If you want a shirt, you can send... If you want a shirt, we can send you a Clown Coin one on the Circus House. Okay. You can message me on Twitter for my address. CryptoTalkNow21 for the business address. Stardog, Coochie Boy is spot on. Too many lost wallets. Omniflow, Apple will sue you, Clown Coin, like your relatives, Batman and Stranger Ian. Coochie Boy, Patches carrying Luna Classic on his back. Yes. Patches is carrying Luna Classic on his back because the community is invested. Look, is this couch real? I never tried doing this before. Look, I'm touching the green pillow. And now, if I can get over here, I'm touching the aqua colored pillow. And there's a lamp over here, but is the stuff real? The question is it real? Patches carrying the Luna Classic on his back. Yes. It is my lottery ticket and a lottery ticket for so many. Would be a great story to come back. That's it. He did it. Thank you so much, Roger Tuma. I haven't seen you here before. Consider changing your avatar from a uppercase R to something that speaks to you. He did it. Mr. Gox, that's it. The crypto investing hamster. Well, I have a technical analysis dog named Patches. He's the only dog in the world that we're going to train to do technical analysis, and we're going to see how he stacks up with the experts. Thank you for that, Mr. Gox. Yes, he passed away, sadly. Mr. Gox was a crypto investing hamster that actually outperformed some real investors, and it was proven. It was all documented, and you can go and check out the story somewhere online. Thank you so much, guys. I will see you here tonight for the Max and Larry show, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's the big show. There's going to be fireworks. Make sure you definitely better tune in. You don't want me to get mad, do you? Or maybe I will get mad because you like it. Thank you so much. I'm grateful for you. We will see you tonight at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time.